Hi. Following is a restorative flow, one that you can practice at the end of the day when you need to gather your energies, when you're getting ready for bed. Just open the body, relax it completely. It goes very slow with the breath. We will start on all fours and just warm up the spine with a couple of cat and cow stretches. Hands directly under the shoulders, knees directly under the hips. With an inhale, lift the head up, drop the spine towards the floor. And as you exhale, lift the spine, arch your back. Look between the hands. Inhale, lift the head up. Spread the sit bones behind you. And exhale, lift the spine. One more time. Inhale, lift the head up. Maybe sway the hips from side to side. And on an exhale, arch your back. Coming back to a neutral spine. Shift your hips back over your heels. Knees are wide apart. And just allow the whole body to relax on the floor. Bring the head down. Breathe here. 3 to 5 breaths in each stretch. After your 5 breaths are done, you will come up. Come to lie down on your back. Take a moment, allow the spine to settle down, and then bend both knees into the chest. Hold the knees lightly with your hands. Breathe here. Just see that both feet are parallel to each other. Hold the knees lightly and make small circles with your knees. 2 to 3 times in each direction. It's an excellent massage for the lower back. Release the legs, plant your feet on the floor, hands next to your body. With an inhale, lift the hips up, come into the bridge pose. Breathe here for a moment. Exhale, release. Maybe one more time. Inhale, push the heels down, lift the hips up. And with an exhale, straighten out your legs. Slide the arms underneath the body. Inhale, lift your head and chest up. Drop the head back. Place the crown of your head on the floor. Breathe. Open up the heart. Expand the body with each inhale. With each exhale, relax a bit more. Breathe and relax. Stay in the pose for about 5 breaths and then gently release the head, release the arms. Take a breath. And the last thing that we're going to practice today is called the banana stretch. It's a lateral stretch for the body. Take your arms above the head. Maybe interlace the fingers together and turn the wrists out. Cross your feet at the ankles. Inhale here, and as you exhale, stretch your body Stretch the upper body towards the left side. Move the legs also in the same direction. It's an extremely good stretch, opening up the side bodies. The right lung is wide open. And now take the stretch over to the other side. Stretch. Breathe. And come back to the center. Release the legs. And that's enough. If you can do this, you will notice the quality of sleep getting better and better.